CompTIA A Core 2 Complete Training Course. Exam Objective 4.4 Given a scenario, use common safety procedures. Safety procedures play a significant role in the IT industry, just as they do in any other industry. Therefore, we will take a look at some common safety-related issues specific to IT, starting with electrostatic discharge. Electrostatic discharge, or ESD, is the invisible villain of IT work. It is the sudden flow of static electricity between two objects with different charges. It happens when static electricity builds up on a surface and then discharges, often damaging sensitive electronic components. To combat ESD effectively, ESD wrist straps are an essential tool. These specialized wristbands are designed to connect you directly to a grounded surface, such as the metal frame of a PC case or a designated grounding point. This connection ensures that any static electricity building up on your body is safely discharged, preventing you from damaging sensitive electronic components when handled. Complementing these wrist straps are ESD mats, which create a static-neutral workspace. These mats are designed to dissipate static from anything placed on them, providing an added layer of protection against accidental discharges. Together, ESD wrist straps and mats form a robust defense against ESD. However, none of this works without proper equipment grounding, a critical step that ensures your devices and workspace are electrically safe and ready for work before you even touch them. Once the risk of static electricity has been addressed, the next crucial step is proper power handling to ensure safety. Before working on any device, always make sure it is completely disconnected from its power source. This means unplugging the device from the wall outlet or power strip, and, if you're dealing with a laptop, removing the battery if it is detachable. Taking these precautions eliminates the risk of electrical shock and accidental damage to the device. Remember, a device that is fully powered down and disconnected is the only truly safe device to handle during repairs or upgrades. When handling sensitive components, treat them with the utmost care. Components, such as RAM modules or motherboards, are not only delicate but also highly susceptible to damage from mishandling. Always store unused components in anti-static bags, which are specifically designed to shield them from the dangers of electrostatic discharge. Proper storage ensures their integrity until they're ready for use. When it's time to handle these parts, always hold them by their edges, avoiding contact with the circuitry or connectors. This technique minimizes the risk of physical damage and prevents oils or residue from your hands from contaminating the sensitive surfaces. Even trace amounts of natural oils can corrode metal contacts over time, leading to connectivity issues or performance degradation. By following these precautions, you ensure that every component remains in peak condition, ready for smooth installation or testing. Beyond protecting components, staying compliant with government regulations keeps your work professional and above board. Regulations may include health and safety laws, building codes, and environmental regulations that govern the proper disposal methods for electronic waste. Electronic waste, or e-waste, refers to discarded electronic devices and components such as old computers, monitors, hard drives, or batteries. Improper disposal of e-waste poses significant environmental risks, as these items often contain hazardous materials. To stay compliant, IT professionals must follow established guidelines for recycling and disposing of e-waste responsibly. Personal safety should also be a top priority when working with computers and other electronic devices. Once again, start by disconnecting the power before repairing a PC to reduce the risk of electric shock. Additionally, if the device is heavy, use proper lifting techniques to protect yourself, bend your knees, keep your back straight, and lift with your legs, not your back. For extremely heavy items, such as servers, don't hesitate to ask for assistance to avoid unnecessary strain or injury. Electrical fire safety is another critical aspect. Water should never be used to extinguish an electrical fire, as it can worsen the situation. Instead, always have a Class C fire extinguisher nearby, specifically designed for electrical fires, and ensure it is in good working condition. Finally, for tasks like soldering or working in dusty environments, personal protective equipment is key. Safety goggles are essential for shielding your eyes from flying debris, while an air filtration mask prevents the inhalation of harmful particles. Taking these precautions ensures that you stay safe and healthy while maintaining a professional and secure workspace. Thank you for watching. Subscribe for more great content.